So now let's see how we can work around with the vote block inside of wordpress.com. So if you want people to interact with your post and then vote with it, you can go around and click on the plus button in between two blocks and then type in vote right here. So over here you can see that vote is an option, and if I were to go ahead and click it, then you can see that I got this vote block right here. So you can go for up or down. Let me just go ahead, press the plus button, and you can see that you can add an up or down right here just like this as well. So you can go ahead, add it in right here just like this, and then move it out as well. Let me just go ahead and then delete this. So let's just select this right here, and in the block you can see that I can go ahead, change the text color as well, as you can see right here, and so forth. But let me just go ahead and then delete these out right here because I don't need many. And then I'm going to go ahead and, let's say for example, I can simply go around and add in a paragraph right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say enjoy every day right here just like this, and then let's say this is a vote for this particular code right here just like this. So now once I go ahead and do that, let me just go ahead and press enter right here and save this out, and then go around over here on to view posts. So over here you can see that in this enjoy every day right here just like this, and then let me just save this so the post is updated, as you can see right here. Let's just go ahead and refresh this out right here, and you can see that there's the vote button now. So if I were to click on it, there's the vote one out. So just like this is powered by Crowd Signal, as you can see right here. And if I were to go ahead and refresh, you can see that there's one vote right here. So now as the other users actually go ahead and click, it'll increase out the number right here as they click on it, and you get the vote count right here just like this. And that is how you can utilize the vote block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.